So a while back I was driving home and had this crazy idea for a storyline interaction. I didn't know if it was gonna work, so I had to test it at home, and it did. But before we dive into the details, let's take a look at the scrolling panel and some of the properties it has. So here I have a scrolling panel and a circle inside of it, and the circle has a fly in and fly out animations. And what's nice about the scrolling panel, it sort of acts like a window. It's a masking thing that you can use in Storyline, which means if I drag the circle here to the edge, you cannot see it outside of the scrolling panel. So let's just preview how the fly in and fly out looks like. You know, it flies in and it's cut off on the left, and then it's cut off on the right. You know, it goes outside of scrolling panel and it's not seen on the screen. So I knew about this masking technique from projects before. So I was thinking, could I use this masking technique so it looks like the object is disappearing, like it's being cut away? So my idea was maybe I could move the scrolling panel to the right while I move the object to the left. And to the user and to the background, it would look like our object is static, because it's moving to the left relative to the scrolling panel, but for us it's gonna be static. So I tried the following. As you can see here, I added a motion path on the object. However, you cannot add a motion path to the scrolling panel. Or can you? What you can do is you insert another object, and usually you don't want this object to be seen, so you say no fill, no outline, so it's just a blank transparent object. It should be outside of the scrolling panel, and now you combine these two objects in a group. And now if you go under animations, you can add a motion path. So let's add another motion path that's going in the other direction of our circle. Okay, so I added another motion path. These two motion paths are the same, they have the same properties, same duration, and let's preview. Okay, here's our circle, being all static and everything, and it's being cut away because the scrolling panel is moving to the right and our circle is moving to the left, but for us it looks like the circle is being static and not moving at all. And after my experiments worked, I upgraded this like this. You could have an image over another image, and you can show before, after shots. You could show inside of a box or something, maybe a body, depending on your context. But it creates a nice transition between what you have in front and what you have in the back. And you can implement it in many ways. You could have a slider, you could have buttons, you could have a dial from right to go from left to right to left, if I could say those words. And there you go. That's the trick, that's the crazy thing that actually worked, and I hope you got something out of this. Have a great day.